Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini, Assistant Professor in Commerce. So I welcome you all to my class. In my previous class, in the previous video, I solved some problems on the topic problems on value of supply, and the top subject is indirect tax. So today also I'll continue with the same chapter, that is on problems on the value of supply. So the problem here is that before that, actually in previous videos I have given explanation on the value of supply and how to calculate the value of supply, what are the expenses is to be added to find the value of supply. So better you go for the videos which is already I put in my channel. So you check that to have a thorough understanding about the chapter that is on the calculation on the value of supply. The problem here is XYZ Limited has supplied a machine during the month February 2020 on the following terms. Price of the machine is 4,80,000. Testing expenses of machine is 10,000. Packing charges 20,000. Development charges 5,000. Transportation charges 6,000. Installation charges 10,000. Commission 5,000. And cess paid is 3,000. So here this is the expenses here, and regarding these expenses it is not stated in the problem whether it is included to the price of the machine or not. So when it is given like this, so here you have to take the base of as a price of the machine 4,80,000, and you go for adding all these expenses which is considered as part of the selling and distribution expenses. And I told any expenses which incurred by the supplier right from the date of agreement with the recipient to supply the goods till the date of the place of delivery to the recipient, all expenses is to be added to the price to find the taxable value. And some more adjustment is there. Additional information is given. Late payment charges from the recipient is 5,600. During after sales warranty period, supplier incurred expenses 25,000 are included in the price of the machine. Notice there late payment charges at 15% per annum if payment is not made within 1 month. So they are telling if payment is not made on the due date, then the supplier is going to charge 15% per annum. But in the problem, the late payment charges is receipt 5,600. So it is to be added to find the value of supply. We'll see how to calculate this. They have asked to find the value of supply and also GST liability at the rate of 12%. You take the solution, you take the heading computation of taxable value of machine. Base, I told you have to take agreed price or any selling price if it is given in the problem. Here in this problem, price of the machine is given. So you take price of the machine as base 4,80,000. For that you write add the following expenses. So you have to write add the following expenses. So the expenses like testing expenses, packing charges, development charges, transportation charges, installation charges. So they have not given any information, specific information whether it is included or not in the problem. So you must go for making the adjustment. So you take all these expenses, and for the commission is given in the problem. So you take commission 5,000. Cess paid is there 3,000. It is also added. So cess, any duties, compensations, any taxes if it is due, then it is added to the price of the machine to find the taxable value. Apart from any cess, any duties, if it comes under the GST, in the purview of GST like IGST, integrated goods and service tax, SGST and all, that taxes, any dues is not included to find the value of supply. And next adjustment is that late payment charges from the recipient is given. Late payment charges, just they have told within 1 month. If it is not received within 1 month, he is going to charge 15%, and due date is not stated here, and the amount is already, they are telling it is receipt. So he had to consider here to find the value 5,600 you take. So total it comes around 64,600. If you add it to the price, you will get 5,44,600 as the taxable value of supply. Apart from this, if in your problem any other expenses like loading charges, unloading charges, freight charges, any brokerage and any discounts, any subsidies apart from the subsidies of government, if this it is also considered as part of the distribution expenses or selling expenses, and you must go for making the adjustment if it is given in the problems. In this case, again, they have asked to find the GST liability at the rate of 12%. So you take CGST equally 6%, SGST, State Goods and Service Tax at the rate of 6%. Total you will get is 65,352. So this is the calculation for this problem, and we'll move to one more problem, that is RR Engineering Limited. So RR Engineering Limited has made an agreement to supply a machine for 10 lakh. So here the supplier name is given is RR Engineering Limited is the supplier, and the recipient name is not mentioned here. So they agreed to supply a machine that is for 10 lakh, which include the following expenses. So here specifically they are telling that include the following expenses. So which include means is already included in this 10 lakh rupees. So for these expenses, no any further adjustment required in your calculation. Okay, that is packing charges, designing and drawing charges, installation charges, other incidental charges. So it already which include the following means it's already included in the rupees 10 lakh. So you leave that expenses. Further they have given the recipient has additionally charged 35,000 for after sales service. So after sales service 35,000 is there, and 20,000 for transportation, and transportation charges 20,000. So with respect to these two expenses, it is not stated it is included. So you must go for adding these two expenses. And they have asked to calculate taxable value of supply and GST at the rate of 12%. So this is the explanation for this problem. We'll see how to solve it. So go for the solution, take the heading, compute the computation of taxable value of machine. So you take the price of the machine as 10 lakh as it is given in the problem, and for that you take add the following expenses, you write down. And in case of adding, I told the expenses like the packing charges, design charges, installation, other incidental charges is not included. Okay, so it's already included here. So don't go for making any further adjustment here, you leave it. Only two things you have to add, the expenses like sales service and transportation charges. 35,000, 20,000. If you add it, you will get 10,55,000. Total is 10,55,000 taxable value of supply. And again here they have asked to GST liability 12%. So you apply GST 12%, CGST Central Goods and Service Tax 6%, SGST 6%. So you will get 63,600, 63,600. So here this is how we had to solve the problems. So I have taken two problems here. So in the some difference is there in first problem and the second problem. So specifically if they state if it is included, then how we have to calculate, and if it is not stated whether it is included or not, the expenses, how to make the adjustment to find the taxable value. So I hope you understood the calculations. Thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribing for more videos on this chapter, and also share this with your friends. Let it benefit for those also. Thank you very much. Bye.